Esteemed listeners, today we address securing your mobile device responsibly with NX Tunnel VPN, operating within the bounds of local laws. I'll guide you through a secure and compliant configuration. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Precisely search for NX Tunnel VPN. Verify the app's authenticity by confirming the developer and icon before installation to avoid potential security risks. Once installed, open the NX Tunnel VPN application. Before proceeding, ensure that your device has a stable and active internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Select All Country UDP as the connection method. This provides a broad range of connectivity options while maintaining compliance with general internet usage guidelines. Optional for potentially optimized performance, you may search and select your specific country, provided it aligns with local regulations regarding VPN usage. Tap Server to access the server selection options. Choose Auto Server for an automatically optimized connection, or manually select any available server from the list, ensuring that your choice adheres to local laws and regulations regarding server locations. Finally, tap Start to initiate the VPN connection, adhering to all terms of service and responsible usage guidelines. Allow the application sufficient time to establish the secure connection. Once connected, your device's internet traffic will be encrypted and routed through a secure intermediary server, enhancing your digital privacy and security within the parameters of responsible and lawful usage. By adhering to these guidelines, you can enhance the security posture of your mobile device while remaining compliant with local laws and regulations regarding VPN usage. Remember, responsible use of technology is paramount. Thank you for your attention.